All right. At CraVe Marketplace. We go around, we check out all the fast food places. How do you become fast food? Well, you have to have a drive-thru. Once you have a drive-thru, you are fast food. Try them all. This one today, I couldn't tell you the last time I've eaten at this place, but it is Carl's Jr. You get the #1 at every place. Try with a Coke. I like Coke. I don't give a crap about Pepsi. So I get Coke. If you don't have Coke, you're already tainted in my world. Carl's Jr., let's check him out. Here's what I figure. I can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I can put some chips with it, a little glass of milk. I got a 2.5. This guy's gonna be a problem. I get the #1, ask for a receipt. I wanna see if people are paying attention to detail. #1, ketchup, receipt, and we score it 1 to 10. Who's got the best fast food in America? I'm finding out slowly but surely. I think this is probably, I don't know how many we've done. We've done a lot of these. Carl's Jr. Again, I don't think I've ever eaten Carl's Jr. on purpose. I mean, maybe I did somewhere. I don't think so. EBT accepted here. That's good to know. I'd like a #1, please. Regular.
What drink would you like?
Coke, a receipt, ketchup. This is all automated.
Would you like to donate?
Thank you, sir. Freaking loud that is. It's like there's an aircraft landing all the time right here. Man, they're open Christmas Eve. They'd love to hear our feedback. Well, you're gonna hear it, Carl's Jr. All right, thanks, man. All right, I try to get to a parking spot as fast as I can and eat, while the food's reasonably hot. This seems to be the closest spot, right here. All right, Carl's Jr. Wow, tons of ketchup, traditional ketchup packet. Right away, that doesn't look appetizing to me. I don't know if anybody thinks that that's a really great looking. It's hot as fuck. It's microwaved the shit out of it. I almost gotta psych myself up for this. That's not good. That's not good at all. Way too much mayonnaise. It tastes like a hunk of mayonnaise and tomato. I didn't taste any burger. Everything's microwaved to the hills. I know why I never go to Carl's Jr. now. No one, I don't recall anyone in my freaking life saying, you really need to go to Carl's Jr. You know what? You don't go to Carl's Jr. Your place, this burger, this #1, that'll be the last time I eat there. I bite into that kind of food and pay for it on purpose. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look, you can't even get to the burger, dude. Look at this. Gross. Just freaking gross, man. Carl's Jr. 1.4. You gotta do better, Carl. I mean, just look at that. If you're in management at Carl's Jr. and you see this, and you think I'm bullshitting about this, come try one of your #1s. Pretend like you aren't in management at Carl's Jr. Good luck. 1.3, 1.4, doesn't matter. 1.3, 1.4, 1.4. I mean, it's terrible. And I'll tell you what, I didn't even try the Coke yet. That's how bad one bite. Well, actually, it's a couple big bites, but still, you know what I mean. That's 1.4 for being open. 1.4, that's how I justify it. That's a review. Carl's Jr., I wouldn't go there. Okay, I would go there to save a drowning cat. What if like a scorpion was drowning and they said you could save little scorpion's life if you go to Carl's Jr. and get the #1? I'd say let the fucker die. What do I care? But a cat? Okay, I'll save a cat. But no, a scorpion, he's gonna die because I'm not going Carl's Jr. because they're a 1.4. I'll see everybody on the next one.